What if I told you there is a middle ground between building everything yourself and going fully managed? Self-managed ML is that sweet spot. You choose your compute, your networking, your job scheduler, but AWS provides that GPU horsepower. Think of it as a spectrum. On the left, we have our fully do-it-yourself where we manage everything. In the middle, we have our self-managed ML. So we pick the pieces and AWS runs that infrastructure. And then on the right, we have our fully managed where SageMaker handles it all. The key services in self-managed ML or SMML range from raw EC2 instances with Slurm up through ParallelCluster and parallel computing service, and then SageMaker HyperPod, which is on our upper boundary. So what if a customer says, I want control, but I don't want to rack any servers? Well, SMML is your answer. Follow for more Brain Bites.